To get started, click on the plus button to find your eye drops. You can use the search tool or scroll up and down to find the eye drop. Let's use this eye drop as an example. You can adjust anything you need to using the touch screen. You can change the color of the cap of the drop, the name of the drop by clicking there. You can change the start date, the number of days, how often per day. You can also set a tapering schedule, which means that you can reduce the number of times per day on a set schedule. And you can also change any alarm time as needed. Once you're done with all of that, click Add. And now the drop is in your schedule. If you need to make any changes, click on the My Drops button and you'll see the My Drop screen. And here you would just click any drop you need to change, make any changes as needed. If you need to delete the drop, you can do that here. You can also go to Settings to make other changes to the app. So you can select any alarm sound you'd like. You can change how long the snooze duration is, as well as other aspects of the app. If you need more help with detailed instructions for the app, click on the Help button here. The alarms will come to your notification center. You can swipe down from the top of the screen to see this. You can click directly in the notification to click OK or Snooze. Thank you for watching and for using the EyeDropAlarm app.